Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone or messages app and going straight to settings. Locate the block numbers or call blocking menu. Once there, make sure you can view the blocked entries so you can act on the specific number. Tap the particular entry to reveal options. If prompted, authenticate with PIN, fingerprint, or password so changes save. This first step gets you from app to actionable controls without extra navigation, preparing you to remove the number cleanly. You now tap the block number and choose Remove or Unblock. This is the decisive action. Once selected, make sure to confirm when the prompt appears so the change takes effect immediately. If the number came from a synced account like Google or iCloud, check account settings and turn off any cross-device blocking or remove the contact there as well. After unblocking, return to the list to verify the number is gone and send a test call or message to confirm connectivity. You finish by verifying the unblock. Place a test call or send a message to confirm the number reaches you. If you still can't receive communications, restart the device and try again since caches or processes can hold old settings. Once done, make sure third-party spam blocking apps or your carrier haven't reblocked the number. Check those dashboards and remove the number there. If problems persist, contact carrier support or app help, describing each step you've already attempted for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.